Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are kicking off the week right and talking about makeup under $6 that's brand new, that actually works, where you don't feel like you are sacrificing anything. You're gonna purchase these items and I truly believe you will love them because the formula is great on everything I have in front of me. I have nail polish, lip liners, eye stuff, eye glimmers, stuff that's on my eye right now, highlight, just everything that I have used, over and over more recently that actually really just caught me off guard. Let's just dive right in. I don't often talk about nail polish. It's not something that I really chat about a lot on my channel, but you guys have been wanting to know more and more what is on my nails. I am going to really focus on listing in the description box, not just my makeup, but I am gonna put more focus into what is on my nails so you guys know what is up. So today I am wearing from Sally Hansen, the Hard Ass Nails Extreme Wear. That name always, to this day, it just cracks me up. It's like Hard Ass Nails, but it's Hard Ass Nails. Does anyone else ever catch that? When I was younger, like me and my sisters, we would always laugh about this because we were young and immature. And this is in Mauve Over. This is number 189. These are $2.99. The thing that blows me away is you can usually find these on sale too, so you can end up getting them for like a buck, $1.50. The other color that I'm really into is Retrograde. These are both very creamy. They apply very evenly, and that's what I like about the formula. I love a good cream formula on polish so that it just looks really like glossy and even. So I really love those two shades. I think they're very wearable and attractive, and they're not hard to apply. And I also have to give like a giant, just like praise to this guy right here. This is the Wet n Wild MoonTears. You guys, I tried this on during a testing new drugstore products video. I'm wearing it again today. It's a beautiful in your face highlight. It comes loose, and I have not been into a loose highlighter in a very long time, but this is just like very beautiful. And it's Wet n Wild. And it kind of makes you go, because it feels really similar to the Make It Forever loose powders. I have a few of those, and they have long been favorites of mine whenever I get into, loose highlights for the body or loose highlights that you can mix in with things, inner corner, just like you can really use it anywhere. And it's just, there's something different about the application of a loose powder, and they nailed it with this formula. It's so good. If you see this on a newer display, definitely grab it. All I could find online were eBay sellers that like jack the price up, and it's like, hey, buy this for 50 bucks. Don't do that. This is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Look at just how pigmented that is. This is so excellent for hitting underneath the eye. I'm just gonna grab a little touch of it and I'll show you how it can really just brighten your under eye area up in a hurry on top of all of your already finished makeup. So you see how that just added just like a little bit of brightness, and you can actually kind of fluff over your blush or bronzer if you need. This is a great trick to kind of tone things down if you need. It's wonderful for just initially setting your concealer. I just really like this powder. I actually use it to set my eye primer if I'm going that far to make sure that something's gonna really stick and I wanna prime my eyes and really go in and hardcore set. I will actually take a beauty blender and I will go in here and I will, like, this looks like a lot because it is, but I will press that all over the lid and then take a brush and fluff it around, and that is such a good technique to kind of cancel everything out. Love this powder. I cannot get over the fact that it's Essence and the price. It's so good. On the flip side, I do want to share with you guys this one right here, Essence All About Matte. It says it's a waterproof fixing powder compact. This one just, there's a difference. You need that creamy undertone, otherwise this is going to give you that flashback. It's going to cancel out shine, but it's also going to look a little chalky. So I wouldn't recommend this one, but boy oh boy, this one is just like a home run. All right, also, I wanna show you guys from Catrice. They have this really cool liquid metal. This is a long-lasting cream shadow, and the shade Champagne Shower is beautiful. Look at that, it's so even, it is gorgeous. This is a dupe, in my opinion, to these Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows. Not the metal ones, because this doesn't have any glitter in it, but I'll show you. The color's not spot on, but you can see This is Stila, this is Catrice. They have the same exact consistency, and if you are into that type of an eyeshadow where you like that cream eyeshadow and you want something really bright and really long wearing, then I would definitely recommend checking out the Catrice version. Something you can't really dupe that I do want to like give a shout out to Stila over that I'm wearing right here in my eyes is this, and it's Gypsy. This is the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. Now this one, I just don't think there will ever be a dupe. There's something about some of the more glittery ones from Stila that they just do right. I want to share with you the dollar find of the year. This is so good. This right here is like the best of both. This is the Prism cream eyeshadow. It's $1. It's literally $1. You guys, how is this $1? Honestly, when I was editing that video, like I was like, wow, her eyeshadow looks good, and I'm like editing myself, you know? But this is $1 shadow that wears really well, applies very easily, is bright, has a little bit of micro glitter, is metallic, it's not super wet liquidy, it has a nice consistency, and I love it. I love it so, so much. I wanna show you this right here. It's $1. It's not the best thing on planet Earth, but I did want to share with you guys over the, you know, the little circular one that I used in the video, which actually everything said and done is pretty good. This one has more of that like cream type of a feel to it that I was telling you guys about. I hope that's translating on camera. And I think it's really nice. I think for $1, dang, right? If you need metallic shadows, do not hesitate to go to Shop Miss A. It does take a little bit of time to get your product, but I really like a lot of the stuff that I've tried. The other stuff that I've tried that I don't like I also really don't like. It's very, very hit or miss. We're gonna talk about more eyeshadow just for a moment, and this is a loose shadow. This is new from Colourpop. They came out with loose shadows, and I just wanna show you how ridiculous the pigment is. Wow, I put way too much on my hand. But this will give you a clear illustration of how a tiny little bit will go a very long way. It spreads very quickly. These are really beautiful. They kind of remind me a little bit of the Dose of Colors duos where they have a cream on top and the loose portion on the bottom. It has that kind of a feel where it has little micro glitter in there, but then the base. So the shades that I love, because I did try a bunch of them, I love Weekend, this purple shade, because you guys know I love purple so much. This is Badlands, and then I really, really love Typhoon. It's the prettiest cool tone champagne with micro glitter of purple. It's on my eyes right now. I am in love. I think it is so, so, so beautiful. You can use these wet or dry. They are $5 and I love them. All right, for lip liner, you guys, Essence brought out a soft contouring lip liner. I have long been a fan of their lip liners. They're a couple bucks, $2-3, and they work so beautifully. The neutral tones that they have are so flattering. It's kind of like, why spend more money? These work just fine. And I just wanted to swatch and show you guys all the shades. These were sent to me. Look at this one. So I don't know, I'm gonna play around with them more, but I have been reaching for them just because I have long been a fan of a good drugstore lip liner. I use the Rimmel lip liners. I like Maybelline lip liners, L'Oreal lip liners. These are great. Who else makes a really great lip liner? That's where my brain was missing. This one from Milani. Whew, this actually might be my favorite. Perfect way to just define your lips without adding color that really pulls one way or another. It's a very neutral tone. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in 4. All right, I also wanna hit back to Shop Miss A. Am I saying that right? It's not Shop Misa, it's Shop Miss A, right? Either way, you guys know. You guys know where to find it. These brow products surprised me so much. I love the shade of this one right here, the Wonder Brow. This is the Tinted Brow Pomade. This is in medium brown, and I have continued using it. I really, really like it. I'm so shocked because I have never really liked a drugstore brow pomade. I think the closest one would be NYX. They make a pretty good brow pomade, but I really love my Beauty Bakery right here. Anastasia, of course, has a great brow pomade, but this one for $1, I was like, really? Like, are you kidding me? The color is spot on. It stays put all day. It's really, really nice. And then the Fiber Gel Go Brow, again, you want to wipe off the excess that comes off of the brush when you pull it out, because if you go straight in, girl, you're gonna have a problem. It is gonna be a mess. But if you wipe the excess off with a tissue and you really carefully comb this through, it is good, like good, good, good. It is so nice. And I had to update you guys about that. Also, I have another mascara that I'm into. It's like the craziest thing. I don't know, the drugstore is like showing up with good mascaras. So let's go over the ones that we love so far. Essence, Lash Paradise, NYX Worth the Hype, and then I think this one. This is the Catrice Lashes to Kill. It says it has black diamond powder. I don't even know what that means, but this makes your lashes look so good. I am wearing it today. It does not smudge. It doesn't irritate my eyes. It holds a curl, it lengthens, and it adds a lot of nice volume. So this is another new mascara that's really great, that is definitely worth checking out. All right. That is the roundup of everything under $6. I was really trying to do under $5, but I had to include some of these items that were just so good that were $1 more than $5, so we did. Also on my lips today, I am wearing the Hard Candy Plumping Serum. This is in the shade Pink Cadillac. I've continued reaching for this one as well. So I really am focused on bringing you guys more updates on things that I play around with on a daily basis and give you these more overview videos. So let me know how you're liking that. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy it. And I hope you are having a great day. Let's all have a great week. I'm wishing you a good one, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.